Do you want to know how to increase the speed of your internet instantly? Then you are into the right video, because in this video I will show you how to do this, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So first of all, you will right click on your Wi-Fi here and click on open network and internet settings here, then click on change adapter settings here, and then you will have to actually like click on the Wi-Fi, because I am using the Wi-Fi here. So I will right click on the Wi-Fi here and I will click on properties, and then you will click on configure, and then you will switch to the advanced tab here, and here you will see two options. Basically, the first one is throughput booster, which is not here right now, and the second one is transmit power. Okay, so then you have to select the throughput booster option here and you have to enable it. By default it is disabled. You have to enable it. Okay, find the throughput booster option and enable it, and the second option is transmit power. Okay, so you have to set the transmit power value to the highest. Okay, let me just show you here something like, okay, so let's suppose that this is the throughput booster option here. So by default it will be disabled like this, and you have to click on this and you have to enable the throughput booster option here. And the second one is basically the transmit power, and you have to like set it to the highest value. Okay, so that's it for this video. We hope that you enjoyed our video. You can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and if you have any kind of question regarding this video here, you can actually ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.